Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kiwanna. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all on how I make my delicious, cheesy Mexican casserole topped with cornbread. So if you want to see how I put this together, keep watching. Okay guys, in my electric skillet here, I have a total of 2 pounds of ground beef that I'm going to be using to make my Mexican casserole with. And I am just grounding that up with my ground meat chopper here. And now I'm going to start to add in my seasonings, which is my house seasoning. And it is seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and pepper mix. I'm going to add in some paprika. And because we are making a casserole, a Mexican casserole, I'm going to add in some taco seasoning. And this is my homemade taco seasoning. I don't know if you guys got a chance to check out this video, but I will post the link here above. I just saved the container from when I had some other taco seasoning and just used that to put my homemade taco seasoning in. Now, I'm not measuring out what I add in there. I'm just going off the amount of meat that I have as far as with the spice, but you definitely can add what you want. So we're going to give that a good mix until all the spices are combined. And now I'm going to add in my bell pepper, my sweet Vidalia onion, and my chopped up jalapeno peppers. And we're going to go ahead and just give that a good mix, or cook that until the vegetables are translucent and that ground meat is done, pretty much looking like this right here. Now, as you guys can see, my ground meat did not render off that much liquid, so the fat that it did render off, I'm going to leave in there because I don't want my casserole to be completely dry. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just leave that little bit of liquid in there. So now we're going to go in with our other ingredients. I have 2 cans of chipotle corn that I'm going to be adding in here, and what that has in it is some red bell peppers and also some little peppers. And yeah, this corn is actually pretty good. This is like my 3rd time having it, and it is really good. So I'm adding in a can of black beans, a can of Rotel tomatoes, and 1 can of tomato sauce. So now I'm going to give that a good mix. Now guys, you don't have to go with the ingredients that I use, even though these are part of the ingredients of a Mexican casserole. You definitely can add whatever you want in here. You can add whatever other vegetable, or you can pretty much add what you want. Okay, I'm just sharing with you guys of how I make it. So now that I got everything mixed, I am going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes or so, just so that everything can pull together and the spices can pretty much marry and get around and do what they need to do. I'm just playing, but yeah, we're going to give that a good mix. So now we are going to start to assemble our casserole after letting it simmer for about 10 minutes, and you guys can see it did thicken up. Now, I do have enough filling there for 2 casseroles, okay? So I'm only going to use half of that in my pan here, my casserole pan, and the rest of it, I'm going to let it cool completely and then get it into a labeled freezer bag. Get it into a labeled freezer bag and then get it into the freezer. Okay, so yeah, I had a nice amount left, but yeah, we're just making a nice even layer into my casserole pan there. Just spread it out, and this is what I have left. Like I said, I'm gonna let it cool, get it into my labeled freezer bag, and get it into the freezer. So now I'm going to top this with some Mexican cheese, okay, a layer of cheese, and then I'm going to top it with my Jiffy mix. Like I told you guys in my last video, if you guys didn't check out that video, I don't follow the instructions on the Jiffy box. I like to make it my way. If you guys want to see how that is, I'll post that link here above for you to go on over and check that out. So we're just going to put a nice layer of that cornbread on top of the cheese and then just spread it out. And once you get it spread it out, guys, we're going to get this into the oven, and I do have my oven already set to 375, and we're going to bake this for about 45 minutes, or when you see that the top of your cornbread has that nice golden brown color. Okay, so what I forgot to tell you guys is I did add a layer of cheese on top of the cornbread, and this is how it turned out here. Beautiful, guys. When I say this casserole was delicious, it was just that, and here it is here. Had to show you guys of how it turned out, and again, it was delicious. So I truly do hope you guys enjoyed this video of me showing you of how I make my Mexican casserole. If you guys enjoyed my video, Please give my video a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, you guys take care. Bye.